Hi, I'm Ankur Dasani from Total Interior Solutions. I've been in the furniture industry for over 10 years now. I'm also a soon to be published author where I've compiled my 10 years of learnings and experience into a book called The Best Kept Secrets About Furniture Buying. Today I'm going to talk about why should you get the furniture made from us. At the end of this video, you'll get a link of a free ebook which will compile all this information and help you save from making mistakes. The most important thing we do is we ask you a lot of questions. Well, we have a detailed checklist for each and every furniture piece we design or we make before we start even the detailing of it. We go through the entire anthropometrics. We ask you what kind of softness you like, what is the average height of people in your house, is there anyone having a knee problem. These are small things which we ask for each and every piece we design to ensure that you get the right kind of furniture. We have a strong technical team who goes through each and every finish and material being used in the furniture. We show you samples, we tell you about the pros and cons of using different materials, price comparatives and maintenance for each and every finish that you're going to be using on the furniture. This ensures you don't end up with a piece of furniture which is a hard on maintenance. Once all these sizes and materials and finishes and things are chalked out, we put all of this into shop drawings. We put each and every detail, each and every nuance, each and every curvature into a drawing. Everything is in black and white, so you know exactly what's getting made before the first wood or the ply is cut. Next thing we do is we tape the furniture layout on the floor at your space. We ensure that each and every room, each and every furniture is floor taped. This ensures the complete clarity of the sizes. You know exactly which furniture space is taking what space in each and every room. This minimizes the chance of an error in terms of sizes. The next thing we do is we give you live updates of the furniture in production. At any point of time, you will know exactly where your piece is and you will get the raw furniture images as the production is going forward. This also reiterates how transparently we work with our clients. Any raw material that I've promised to you is also being seen and recorded and updated to you while the production happens. The next very important thing we do is we invite you to the factory during the production. We invite you to look at the carcass, the dhancha as they call it. At this time you are more clear about what you are getting. At this time you are more clear about the heights, the shapes. Even if you may want to change a few things, at this stage it is easier. This minimizes dissatisfaction, this minimizes reworking, this minimizes blunders, and this increases the chance of higher satisfaction with the furniture you get. The next important thing is we have an awesome delivery and installation team. We take care that your furniture is properly packed safely in transit and you get pieces installed on site without affecting your existing interiors. That's because our team is doing this day in and out. They know all the nuances, they know all the issues that come on site and they are prepared for it to solve it to the best possible way. The next and the most important differentiating factor is that we offer a lifetime guarantee on our furniture. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the most important differentiating factor. All our furniture is guaranteed for life for all raw material, hardware, finishes, foaming, polishes. At any point of time, if you face any challenge, whether it is now, a few years down the lane or a decade later, you can call us and get it sorted free of cost. And this guarantee never expires. Did you like what you just heard? Were you able to connect with any of the pointers that you heard? If you did, drop in the comments below. Do find the link for the free ebook as promised. This will help you save a lot of mistakes. Do contact us on the number provided on the screen if you have any immediate requirement or a problem that you need consulting with. Thank you. Like, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel if you found this useful. Thank you.